What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to switch your bench seat for bucket seats in the Mazda B22 or B2000. And here we have my truck. As you can see here, we already have some bucket seats in there, and here is the bench seat that we had before. So this is going to be real easy. We are using basically parts from a B2200 that had the bucket seats originally, so it's going to be a factory brackets that are going to go into the regular cab. And if you've seen my video on the center console, you probably know that there's a lot of bolts and brackets that are already in place. They just need to be uncovered. So let me show you guys, and let's get to it. So here is the factory bench seat. If you have this seat on there, you will know that it has only 4 bolts that are holding it in place. You're gonna have two on the right side, one in front and one in the back, and then 2 on the left side, front and back as well. There are gonna be 14 millimeter. And then right now we have mine bucket seats in the truck, but I'm gonna have Brian take them off so we can show you guys how the brackets are in place. So as you can see, our bucket seat is out right now. This one's a little bit modified. My parts truck came with the seats kind of like that, so it's a little bit more custom than what a factory bucket seat would look like. But this is our bench seat, bucket seat, and let's go inside the truck so I can show you guys. Now, when you first remove your bench seat from your single cab, these holes right here are not going to be cut out. They're going to be covered completely in the carpet if you have the factory carpet, but they are kind of perforated already, so it's a matter of just finding them. And then it's going to be real close to the transmission, hump. Basically just kind of feel around, maybe with a knife or something, and then you should be able to find them and just peel them off. It's going to be the same thing on the back. Now, when you take your bench seat, you will have your lap belt for the seat belt. So you will have to remove that one. And then that's what you're seeing here. Here is where the lap belt was attached to it. And this is going to be a 17 millimeter socket. They're going to be pretty tight in there, so you probably want to get a breaker bar or just a big ratchet and be able to just kind of, take them off. But the other thing to keep in mind as well, when you take this ones off, if everything's factory, if no one's messed with them, they will have some kind of rubber plugs in there. You can technically use those and put them in this if you don't break them. If you take them off, fine. I unfortunately did not take them off that well. They kind of broke on me. They're kind of old and whatnot. So I ended up just taking the belt off and then just putting the bolt right back in. So that way you don't have a hole that goes straight down into the floor. That would, prevent from getting water in the cabin and whatnot. So just a quick tip on that one. But this is the passenger side. It's going to be the exact same thing on the driver's side. It's a matter of just finding where the little carpet is already ready to be torn off and then just pulling it out of there. And you should be ready to put your new bucket seats in there. And that's really all there is to switching at least factory bucket seats into a bench single cab. You're not gonna need anything crazy as long as you can find those seats and get those brackets intact. So just wanted to show you guys. It's really easy, really quick, and hopefully you guys can do it on your truck. If you like what we're doing, please leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.